I'm gonna also just use that as my Jesus. Oh my gosh.
I don't wanna be your girl no more. No.
Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? It's your girl Kiitana here, and I'm back with another makeup video. You guys have been asking me since, so I thought I'd deliver. If you like makeup videos, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Just subscribe, make sure you're subscribed. So today I'm gonna be showing you my hair, my outfits, and my makeup. And I'm also gonna be showing you how I tie this head wrap. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you see the whole process, and then you can help me pick which outfit you like best. And I'll leave all the information down in the description box so you'll be able to buy anything that you see in this video. So let me just catch you guys up on my makeup. So I've already used my primer, which is the Becca primer, which is mine is almost finished. I've also used my orange color corrector. This one is from, I think, Ruby Kisses, I believe. And then one thing I've started using is the Laura Mercier translucent powder to kind of touch up all the oil on my face before I go with my foundation. That's something that I just started trying. I've seen a bunch of people do it, and you know my face is oily, so gotta try something new. Okay, onto my foundation. I used the Fenty Beauty foundation. You guys already know this is nothing new, is it new? And I'm using the color 430, which, as you can see in this video specifically, you can tell that this is my exact color. But and then I'm also using my Fawn LA Pro Girl concealer, you know, to kind of, you know, blend everything in. So this video is in partnership with MODCLOTH, and I'm really excited to be partnering with them for Women's Month and just talking about the women that inspire me. So if you have any women that inspire you in your life, please make sure you share it. Let's celebrate the women in our lives down in the comment section. I'm going to talk about my mom because she is just an amazing example of a strong woman. I've never talked about this on my channel, but I figure it's fitting. So me and my brothers and my sister and my mom all moved to the States when we were 7 years old. Well, I was 7 years old, and you know, that was when my dad died in Nigeria, and it was a very tough time for us. But my mom brought us here and really just made a life for us, and just shows how a strong woman can really impart all the knowledge she has on us. And she was able to raise 4 children who have strong values and who really just are able to, you know, take on the world. And I'm just so blessed to have her as my mom. So make sure you check out MODCLOTH Instagram page. They're doing a March giveaway and you don't want to miss it. Like I said, I'll leave all the information down below. If you didn't already know, these are my head wraps. This is my company. I'll leave a link to where you can get the head wraps down below. You know, just like plug, shameless promo. I'm gonna go with my black coffee from, I think, Black Radiance again, and I'm going to contour. It's like a dark enough brown to where you get a little bit of shadow, but it's not like two black lines on the side of my face like I was doing before. I definitely look like someone punched me in the face, so yeah, we're not doing that anymore. I'm gonna put some Laura Mercier in the brown on the other places that I did not put anything just now. So in the middle of everything, I'm gonna put it right here, because these laugh lines, they don't like to listen, so you have to make them listen. This is my elf brush that broke. I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty cool and it helps wipe everything off. So we're just gonna do that. Whew. Wow. So now we're gonna work on these eyes, which I just realized I didn't even put any translucent powder on. So let's just, I have this Urban Decay Petite Heat. How cute is this? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing half the time, but we're gonna try to do something that looks kind of cute. I'm gonna just go 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna do that. That's a thing that people do, I believe. So I'm gonna go inner, middle, outer. I think that'll work. Let's try it. If it doesn't work, I'll just rub it all together and make one color. Let's do that. Ooh, this color is so vibrant. So the orange is there. Brush, I'm gonna put it in the second one. This one right here. I'm just gonna put that in the middle right here. The next step is strike. So I'm putting that on my edge, in my inner, and then I'm gonna also blend it all the way in. I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Can you guys see? Does that look good? Ooh, these colors are so cute. All right, I'm done. Very neutral color. I also got something else that I'm really loving. Oh, this is like a new makeup thing going on. So this is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I got it in the color Trooper Black. It's waterproof. Anyway, this is the brush tip, so let's see if we're gonna have another fail moment again here. And this is how, I don't know if anybody else does their eyeliner like this, but this is the way I do it. Ooh. I feel like I have a lot of control with this. This is good. Wow. Okay. Connect. Oops. Whenever I mess up, I just make it longer. Oh! Whoa. This Kat Von D tattoo liner? Okay. And apparently it doesn't smudge or anything. Let me just... And it dried pretty quick. Hey, there's no black on my hand though. Now I'm gonna use my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. This is it. And then my Real Techniques powder brush, which is the softest thing in the world. And I'm just gonna set everything that I did. And this hair will not leave me alone. Let me go out of my way. Woo. So you guys, what's up? Look at my makeups. Am I a makeup artist or what? Hire me, book me. Info down below. No, don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. So yeah, spray. Woo. I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Inhale, and I'm gonna see if I could use that as like my inner tear duct color. Ooh. Do you guys see how that just brightened my eyes? I'm gonna also just use that as my... Oh, Jesus. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that just fell and it didn't break. We thank God, because... Okay, I'm gonna use that on my nose. I'm not trying to do too much today. Usually I'm highlight city up in here, but today we're just gonna go for a natural glow. Rimmel London. Oh, Shake It Fresh, I forgot. So you can like shake it. Yeah, that's what I like those kind of things. Nowadays I try my best not to use lashes because I suck, and that's just the truth. And then I'm gonna do my lips now. So this is ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Pitch. This is my favorite lip pencil because it's awesome with every single lipstick that I have, and it's brown. Oops. You can't tell it's under. And just do a little bit of this. I'm gonna use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. This is lit. It's amazing, but I don't really have much of anything in it. But we're gonna make do with what we have. Ooh, that just did a little something. Hey, I guess there is something in here. Well, there you have it. My makeup is done. Now, in terms of my hair, low-key, I'm leaving it like this. Okay, so I took the head wrap off because now that I decided to wear it, I need to show you how I did it, because the first time I did it was just to put my hair out of my face. Okay, you're gonna grab your head wrap. This one, like I said, is from Atara Avenue. I'll leave it in the description box down below. So now I'm gonna put my hair forward, put the head wrap on, fold it a little bit down. So the head wrap's on my back like that. Put the head wrap up like this. See that? And then I'm going to twist it. Make sure my ears are showing. And then tie it in the back. So I've done one tie. And then twist it and bring it to the front and just tuck it in. So it's tucked in on both sides. And so what I'll do is I'll just bring this forward like this and just make sure everything is tight. And yeah, so as you can see, okay, this is not supposed to be here, but we're just gonna just gonna act like it's not there. So yeah, so that is the hairstyle. So and there you have it. Headwrap's done.
Is it not you that I do this for?
Alright, time for the outfits.
I'ma get my meal. Baby, while I shop my own family. Is it not you that I do this for? The way you do this thing for me. I'ma get my body, oh. About the things that they talk about. Tell a lot of them they can walk out. Yeah, tell a lot of them they can scatter. Yeah, see that girl over there? She only want me for one reason. But she don't wanna truth it. Everything about it. You be the only one for me. I don't want nothing less for sure. They only feel me cause I'm truthful. Yeah, she telling me cause I'm wheezy.
Okay, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a comment of which outfit is your favorite, and also make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. All right, see you guys later. Bye.